Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is dormant. It is pronounced Dormant and spelt D-O-R-M-A-N-T. Think door with only one O and then mant. Dormant describes something that is temporarily inactive or asleep. It's like when a volcano is dormant. This means it hasn't erupted in a while, but it could at any moment. For example, you could say, during the winter, many animals go into a dormant state to conserve energy. Or, the volcano has been dormant for centuries, but scientists warn it could erupt again. The word dormant comes from the old French word dormant, which means sleeping or idle. Throughout history, it has been used to describe things lying inactive or in a state of rest, just waiting for the right conditions to awaken. In the animated series Avatar: The Last Airbender, Aang, the Avatar, discovers that he has been dormant for hundreds of years, while trapped in an iceberg. When he awakens, he embarks on a journey to fulfill his destiny and bring balance back to the world. Synonyms for dormant include inactive, idle, latent, and quiescent. Antonyms for dormant are active, awake, lively, and thriving. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, dormant. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.